Okay, in this little video clip, I'm going to show you how to create a nested if statement. And we're going to use the nested if statement to display in column D if the pupils listed on the left are above average height, below average height, or are exactly average height. So there's three possible outcomes, and we're going to compare data in cell B32 for the purpose of this nested if statement. First thing we need to do though is to ensure that the data contained in cell B32, which contains the average height of the class, has been rounded up to 0 decimal places. To do that, we simply click in the cell, right click, format cells. Then I select the number category, and at the moment it's defaulting to display to 2 decimal places. I'm going to change that to 0 so we get a whole number. Okay, it'll round it up or it'll round it down to the nearest whole number. Click OK. So I can see now that the average height in 9AB is 167 centimeters. So I'm going to scroll back up and I'm going to put a title in there. I'm going to put compared to class average. Okay, and the formula that we're going to use, all formula begin with an equal sign. We're then going to use the word if. Equals if. I'm going to open a bracket. If B2 equals, so that's saying if B2 is the same as B32, comma, display, I'm using the quotation marks, so anything that's inside the quotation marks will be displayed. And the message I want to be displayed is average height. So that means that you will be average height. If B2, okay, or whichever cell contains your number, is exactly the same as what's contained in B32. I'm going to have another comma, and I'm going to have another if. Okay, this time I'm going to open brackets again, so I need another set of brackets to be opened, and again B2 this time is greater than, so I'm using the greater than symbol, B32, comma, quotation marks, above average, close quotation marks, comma. And again, a third option, if B2, this time less than B32, comma, quotation marks, below average, close quotation marks. I've opened 3 sets of brackets, so I need to close 1, 2, 3, and I press enter, and I can see that J, whose spreadsheet I'm using because he's done it properly, is above the class average. Okay, I now need to fill that spreadsheet all the way down to the rest of the class. And to do that, before I can do it, I need to add something very simple to enable me to do it. Okay, what you'll notice is that now in front of the cells, in front of the formula B, or the cell reference B32,